Hi, my name is Cristina Diaz, and I'm going to take you through the latest updates to PagerDuty's reimagined Slack experience. Let's start with the problem. Responders today are drowning in noise. Redundant notifications, cluttered cards, and constant context switching between Slack and the web app. Critical information gets lost in threads, and teams waste time hunting for what they need during high-pressure incidents. We're continuing to release updates to the Slack experience that help you stay in flow and manage the complete incident lifecycle with PagerDuty. Earlier this year, we rolled out new noise reduction and UI modernization. At Early Access planned for May, we're introducing Quick Declare, dedicated incident channels, and centralized configuration, all improvements designed to help you resolve faster and work smarter from where you're already collaborating. So let me show you what this looks like in action. When teams first set up their PagerDuty Slack app, they see this onboarding tutorial that walks them through how to declare an incident, engage with incidents in dedicated channels, all the way through how incident response leads to learning via post-incident reviews. All Slack settings now live in one place. Teams can configure when incident channels are created, set naming conventions, manage announcement channels, and control notification preferences. Responders can see who's involved in an incident at a glance. They can check who has acknowledged, page additional responders, and re-notify if needed. With just 2 clicks, you can promote any alert to an incident right from Slack. Add a title, select incident type, choose the impacted service, and confirm. The on-call team gets paged immediately. So this is one of my favorite updates. PagerDuty automatically spins up a dedicated incident channel. All updates, decisions, and actions flow into this channel. No more noise in your main alert channels. We know that a great chat experience is table stakes, but what separates us is really the platform underneath. And there's a flywheel effect. AI agents start with the immediate benefit of context, then continuously improve through learning, making every response smarter over time. That's the result of our scale, experience, and innovation. So this modern Slack experience is just the beginning. It's powered by our vision for autonomous operations, where data at scale, AI agents working alongside humans, and continuous learning come together to help you resolve faster today and prevent incidents tomorrow. Sign up to try these new upgrades to the new chat experience today.